Alright guys, you can see power steering works exactly the way it should. Put her in the most common range to show signs of wear. That's second there. Like I said guys, clutch is brand new in this thing. Good response. Brakes are good. Go down to 5. That's the most common one guys. That was your allotted loader gears, was your 5.2 range. There's no play in the synchros at all. Brakes again, nice brakes. Down to reverse. Go up to the low range now. There's 1. 3. Like I said guys, fenders are in great shape. They're not beat up at all. Go back to reverse 1. Reverse 1. You got the front fenders, guys. A lot of these never had that put on. I tell you what, guys, 4020 is probably one of the most popular tractors, if not the most popular, and you are going to be hard pressed to find one in this good a shape. I mean, it is ready to go. Plus, this is the one everybody wanted. It's got the side counsel hydraulics. They're not up here. So you're right here, able to look over your shoulder, do your work. Hard tractor to beat right here, guys, and she is absolutely pretty to look at. She's ready to go home, go to work. It's got the diesel engine in it, plenty of power, sounds great, runs great, shifts the way it should, guys. There's no signs of any issues with the synchros. Mechanically, this thing, it's going to be pretty tough to beat. Check this one out, guys. Give me a call with any questions.